for your mama and your mother, me sorry for the heartache where your mama go through because she could have lose you. Girl, don't expect me for sorry for you. Me sorry for you? No, me sorry for your mother.
People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, people. And thank you once again for tuning in. So the previous video I did, we talk about the brutal beating of Kaylan Dowdie by 6 women, people. 6 women basically jumped this young lady and her friend. And now Kaylan Dowdie is on life support, people, battling for her life. And there has been a break in the case, people. There has been a break in the case because Kaylan Dowdie's mom knew or know who these people are because of eyewitness who were there at the scene, who saw them and saw what happened. So 2 of them have been arrested because the police was going to their houses, but because them know the girl is in the hospital battling for her life, what them a do? Like some coward, them a hide. Them a hide from police, but there has been a break in the case and 2 of them actually turned themselves in. Interesting. Them turn themselves in. So I saw Gleena brought this news on Instagram and it said the St. Andrew North Police have now arrested 2 women in relation to the wounding of a 17-year-old girl and a 29-year-old woman at an illegal party. The party was being held without a permit on Boise Lane off Barbican Road, Kingston 8 on November 7th. The police say the 17-year-old girl and the 29-year-old woman were beaten and stabbed by a group of women during a dispute at the event. They were taken to the hospital where the teen was admitted in critical condition and the other woman treated and released. The police say a 33-year-old woman and another who is 26-year-old turned in themselves on Friday, November 13. The 2 are being interviewed and could, them said it, what? People, they said the 2 are being interviewed and could be charged with wounding with intent. Could. Them need to correct that. There is no could. They are going, or they should be charged. They should be charged for attempted murder because right now the girl is in hospital battling for her life. The police say they are working to apprehend the other persons involved because somebody look for you at a party, you take it up in yourself, say, you know, like how them look for you, so what? We are going to beat them. We are going to beat them, put one in a coma, and the other one, thankfully, she was treated and released. But now, as I said, you have the 17-year-old a battle for life, people. How? I can't even fathom what these 6 women was thinking. Like, me know them have kids. Because one of them, whose daughter was in the beating as well. Like, what kind of example you show for your daughter? The other one, them who have kids, what kind of example you're setting for your kids? How can you be so cruel and beat somebody unconscious, make them in a coma, in a critical condition right now, people? When I say people, I really and truly hope that them catch them and them punish them. I have zero mercy or I have zero sympathy for these women that did this to this young lady. Because as I say, people, I have a young daughter. And I can't even imagine my daughter go up on road and somebody do this to her, people. We know say there was that a illegal part. That don't even matter right now. That not even supposed to have mentioned but it was an illegal party. Somebody is battling for their life right now, people. That's what we need to focus on and get those other women off the street who did this. Jano, people, as me say, I'ma keep y'all updated on this situation because we're not gonna stop until we get justice for Kaylan Dowdie, people. We're not gonna stop. We're not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep posting, I'm gonna keep giving you updates on every last one of them. Court appearance and everything me again, people, because we need justice for this young lady. We definitely need justice. And people, check out that video. Like I've seen it going around on social media. And you know me say me never did I go say nothing about it because them people here me not give the time a day. But it keeps popping up. Check out the video, people.
6 girl beat ya, but not tell no lie. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. You can't fight run, you fuck them at work. You fuck them at work faster by your hand. You fuck them at work. You are 17, nobody now look on that. You are 17, your mother could have lose you. I bet your mother didn't give you consent to go to the dance. I bet your mother never go downtown or uptown or middletown, go buy your outfit. I bet your mother never walk. For your mama and your mother, me sorry for the heartache where your mama got through because she could have lose you. Girl, don't expect me for sorry for you. Me sorry for you? No, me sorry for your mother. And that's why enough people, enough boy can go to jail and walk loosely and end up dead because they know that somebody are going to bury them. Them not have to fret about for them insurance. Them not care about the people where they might leave behind.
People, how heartless and inhumane can this little fish boy be? How can he look at somebody who was beaten and who is battling for life and say them type of things at people? You know what? May I try to keep this channel very PG. You see me I say? I'm keeping it PG as possible because the things that I want to say to this little sprat boy, me just I gonna allow it, people. Me just I gonna allow it. But trust me, whatever you put out in the universe, fish boy, it will come back to you. Just know that. May I tell you, be careful of what you put out in the universe because it will come back to you. And the worst part about this is, people, Kaylan Dowdie, she was an aspiring actress. Her mom said she loved acting, she loved the role, play and whatever, voice over type of things. And in a particular video that her mom posted, she was doing like a acting and who she was acting like imitating this same little sprat.
Clothes are not my problem because I can't get it for borrow.
That's it.
Me don't want no clothes to myself because I don't like wash.
Wait a man, that's them way.
Wait a man, give them back.
That same little fish boy. And this little girl is battling for life in a hospital. And this is what it had to say. You people, I tell you, what goes around comes around. I'm telling you people, Kaylan gonna pull through this and she's gonna make a full recovery, people. She's gonna make a full recovery. And for all of the people them did over upon the youth the life then and kiki and I laugh. Feed the day I go come. Feed the day I go come. Still I keep the prayers up for Kaylan. Big up yourself, Kaylan, mom. Just know say you have our support. Full 100. Full 100 you have our support, you see me? Much love and appreciation, people. Once again, as I said, I'm going to keep y'all update on it and make you know what I want. Thank you guys once again for watching this video, people.